Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can save the contact number in your Google Drive. To do so, first make sure you have already logged in into Google Drive in your mobile phone. And once you do that, and while saving off the contacts and clicking on save, all you have to do is select Google Drive in your account to actually save it in your Google Drive. But today I'm going to show you on how you can save it in your PC Google Drive account. To save it in your PC, all you have to do is first be logged in into Google Drive account. After that, on the right hand side you can see these options below your profile picture. All you have to do is go into the contacts option, which is the fourth one. After that, all you can see is create contacts on the top of your screen. Click on create contact and you'll be taken to this kind of screen where now you are able to add their names, their job titles, even emails, and also lastly their phone number. Not only that, if you want to add additional details, you can add them as well. And after all of your detailing is done, simply click on the save option and you'll be able to save the contact in your Google Drive even from your PC or a laptop. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.